Hellen Muthoni muthenya wa ira opened up and shared a shocking revelation. Nĩaraumbũrire mafans ake ndeto cia kũmakania, something that no one could have ever thought of. Mĩaka ĩyo yothe kuma rĩrĩa amenyekanire all through her entire time at Rurumbuka show. Mĩaka yothe kuma rĩrĩa aingĩrire ũini-inĩ na show-inĩ ya Rurumbuka, gũtirĩ mũndũ ũngĩeciririe atĩ no gũkorwo rĩtwa rĩrĩa ahũthagĩra ti rĩtwa rĩake hasa. She took everyone by surprise yesterday when she revealed that Rĩtwa Muthoni is not her name personally, but it is her mother's. Nĩ rĩtwa rĩa mami wao mũciari, contrary to what almost everyone believed, because from the very beginning, from her very first song, her very first show on Rurumbuka, up until today, atũrĩte introduced ta Hellen Muthoni, leaving everyone with the conclusion that Muthoni is her second name. No rĩu nĩatharĩtie ndeto icio akiuga Muthoni's daughter has decided to cover the forehead. For those who don't know, Muthoni is actually my mother's name, and I wear it with pride like a crown. Ũndũ ũyũ ũratigire mafans ake manyoteire kũmenya rĩtwa rĩake nĩ rĩrĩkũ rĩu. Now that Muthoni is her mother's name, what is her middle name? Makombe Pilot being among them akĩũria gwĩtagwo atĩa basi. But Hellen refused to give in, she refused to give out her name. Akiuga rĩrĩ rĩa mami wao nĩrĩo ekwenda kũmenyekana narĩo, and so she wears it with pride like a crown. But she was happy to make that revelation to let everyone know that Muthoni nĩ rĩtwa rĩa mami wao.